Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add zoom, import your clips, and set the project ratio so the motion matches the frame. Once imported, scrub the timeline and trim rough sections. This saves time when keyframing. Make sure to pick the resolution you'll export at, because zooms scale differently at 720p versus 4K. Now select the clip and position the playhead where the zoom should begin. That first frame is your anchor for all subsequent motion. Start the animation tools next. With the playhead at the start, add a keyframe for scale and position. This defines your initial view. Move the playhead to the endpoint and adjust scale or crop to create the zoom, then add the second keyframe. Once done, use easing to soften acceleration so the zoom feels natural. Linear motion looks mechanical. Make fine adjustments by nudging intermediate keyframes and correcting position to avoid unwanted pans. Play the clip at full speed and tweak till the motion matches the beat or narration. Finish by exporting using the project's resolution and frame rate to preserve smooth motion. If the zoom appears shaky, apply stabilization or add extra keyframes so movement is more gradual. This reduces abrupt shifts. If image quality degrades, avoid scaling beyond about 200%. Instead, use higher resolution footage or crop less. One key troubleshooting tip. If playback stutters on export but looked fine in the editor, re-render a short test clip at the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.